If you've ever felt the hand fatigue of cutting through thick cardboard or the frustration of jagged edges on a craft project, it's time to hang up the manual shears. Welcome back. If you're a professional unpacker, a DIY enthusiast, or someone who just wants to zip through materials like butter, the Worx WX082L 4V ZipSnip is the ultimate hand saver for 2026. This isn't just a pair of motorized scissors, it's a self-sharpening rotary powerhouse. The standout feature for 2026 is its automatic sharpening system, which ensures the blade stays crisp and ready for every single cut. Unlike traditional scissors that dull over time, the ZipSnip maintains a professional edge, whether you're slicing through tough plastic, clamshell, packaging, heavy-duty carpet, or delicate fabric. It's powered by a 4V Max lithium-ion battery that holds a charge for months, so it's always ready when you are. What really makes the ZipSnip a 2026 workshop essential is its sheer versatility. While it's marketed as electric scissors, it's actually a high-speed rotary cutter that can handle materials up to 1/4 inch thick. This makes it perfect for breaking down shipping boxes for recycling, cutting leather for crafts, or trimming vinyl flooring. It features a lockout safety switch that works in tandem with the trigger, ensuring it only cuts when you want it to. With its lightweight, ergonomic handle, it turns a grueling afternoon of manual cutting into a few minutes of effortless zipping. Click the link below for the best price and give your hands a well-deserved break. If this breakdown helped you find the secret to effortless cutting, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tools that actually make your projects easier. See you in the next one.